Hello, and welcome to the CDO Magazine interview series. I'm Virendra Dafane, and we are partnering with CDO Magazine, MIT CDO IQ, and the International Society of Chief Data Officers in a series of interviews. Today, I have a pleasure of talking with Ranjan Sinha, IBM Fellow, Vice President and Chief Technology Officer, and he works with IBM Global Chief Data Office. So welcome, Ranjan. Thanks for joining us.
Virendra, it's a pleasure to be here with you.
So I don't want to waste much of the time for our audience. Okay, let's go to the first question of for today's discussion, because there are a lot of initial questions that people have about managing data. So why it is important for an organization to consolidate data into well-governed and well-managed environment, and what are some challenges, data challenges you see in current digital age?
That's a great question. So we have been on a transformation journey within IBM for the last several years. I've personally been involved with this journey for over 5 years. Our data strategy enables you to unlock the power of enterprise data, ensures that you're using the appropriate resources efficiently, and assist with governance, security, and compliance. So data has been traditionally created, managed, and used in silos, especially in large enterprises. So sharing the data across the enterprise facilitates the creation of valuable insights and provides a 360-degree view of the business and operations, and helps to optimize the decision-making process. So the enterprise data strategy must encompass the following. You got to collect, catalog, analyze, and understand enterprise data where it resides, and take measures of the data-related KPIs, including the governance, quality, compliance with enterprise data standards, and how it flows between the system. Second, you got to modernize towards a hybrid cloud data architecture with efficient and trusted data movement. Third is to streamline the data pipelines using DataOps principles to provide the quality data with the appropriate lineage tracking for better insights generation. And lastly is the data discovery and the semantic search that enables the knowledge workers to find data using intuitive business language.
Okay. Yeah, I think you have covered almost all important points here. You've started with compliance. You're talking about the flow of the data, integrity. You're even talking about analytics. That's quite comprehensive. If I had to just add to this discussion, data consolidation. See, there is famously they say Sony had a Walkman but never invented iPod, because they're one department. Nobody knows whether they had a user analytics department actually talking to the manufacturing department. Okay, and the another part was in the finance environment, we see the people have saving account may not buy the mortgage from second. So this comprehend to your second point where you say data need to be integrated and seamless flow. Okay, let me take it a little forward. Now you have a well-governed data environment, and let's take a step forward. How can you transform an enterprise to an accelerate business value to the hybrid cloud kind of an environment? Because there is a lot of word hybrid cloud. These are like buzzwords, and everybody want to see how to get value out of it.
Absolutely. So the hybrid cloud integrates the public cloud services, the private cloud services, and the on-prem infrastructure, and provides the necessary orchestration, management, and application portability across all three. The result is a single, unified, and a flexible distributed computing environment where an organization can run and scale its traditional or cloud-native workloads on the most appropriate computing model. So the hybrid multi-cloud includes public cloud services from more than one cloud service provider, enabling a company to combine the best of breed cloud services and functionality from multiple cloud computing vendors. Choose the optimal cloud computing environment for each workload and move workloads freely between the public and private cloud as circumstances require. Now, a hybrid cloud, and particularly the hybrid multi-cloud, it helps organizations to achieve their technical and business objectives more effectively and cost efficiently than public cloud or private cloud alone. In fact, according to recent studies, the companies derive up to 2.5x the value from hybrid cloud than from a single cloud, single vendor approach only.
Yeah, I think you're giving numbers also. So any youngster watching, this is quite technical, as well as he has covered the numbers also in the end, which is benefit, why we want to use hybrid cloud. And then if you browse Google, you'll find pharmaceutical industries, main of the hot pillars, and the retailing industry mainly jumping onto the hybrid cloud, as you rightly pointed out. Okay, so if you want to hire Ranjan for your hybrid cloud consultant, guys, feel free. He seems to be quite well versed with it. Let me go to the next. Let's take this journey to the next. Okay, and see, there is number of popular trends, Ranjan, that are going through. Okay. And one of them is AI. When we recruit 10, 15 individuals, everybody want to work on AI. But that's the kind of buzz it is. Now, to take advantage of AI, why do organizations need a strong foundation and a good success to data? What advice you can give to those that are keen to build this foundation using AI?
Well, thanks for that question, Virendra. I think it's very relevant to the current state of affairs. So AI is transforming how businesses operate by delivering the power to augment human decision making. So the AI success starts with a simple principle that there is no AI without IA, that is information architecture. In fact, 80% of the data is either inaccessible, untrusted, or unanalyzed in an organization. So with the unified information architecture, you can accelerate your journey to AI and modernize your data architecture to make it ready for AI and multi-cloud. That's why we have put together a prescriptive approach composed of the 5 key steps that we call the ladder to AI. So the process for collecting, organizing, analyzing, and ultimately infusing AI throughout your organization can be thought of as a ladder. So the ladder to AI model introduced by IBM can be used to assess the maturity of your organization in terms of being an AI enterprise. So it is designed to help our enterprise clients with a thoughtful and a well-architected approach. So the step 1 is to modernize all your data assets in a multi-cloud environment. So the hybrid multi-cloud platform allows organizations to take advantage of their data and application across any cloud, public, private, and on-prem. Second is to collect. That is, how do you get access to the data? It is very important that data that should be made simple to access for all users within an organization. Step 3 is organize. Is how you create a trusted and governed analytics foundation. Step 4 is analyze. This is how you can drive insights at scale. And step 5 is infuse. This is how you embed AI into your business in a trusted and transparent manner. In addition, the governance establishes how policies and standards and guidelines and procedures that govern the data and services are managed, executed, and audited. So these policies ensure that the data services are secure, compliant, trusted, and safe. And well, I believe these steps will help to develop a strong foundation for AI in an organization.
Thank you very much, Ranjan, because I think you are not only given the business examples, but you remain very technology savvy in your answers. So thank you very much for joining me today. Please visit cdomagazine.tech for any additional interviews. Thank you very much, Ranjan Sinha, once again. Yeah.
Great to be here answering your questions. Thank you very much.